When your friends absolutely spoil you and bring you treats back from Japan. Let's unbox them together, shall we? Tense moment as we unzip the bag. Authentic Japanese shopping bag galore. I'm going to leave the absolute highlight until the end. We have a Japanese washcloth. These are amazing. They've got little bits of net in them, so they basically foam up beautifully and lightly exfoliate. And I've got to say, my current one is falling apart, so very happy about this. And I love the fact that it's literally a cloth, so it dries really well too. We've got a pair of tabby socks, yes. The ones that work with, I can't remember what the shoes are called, but those traditional, maybe they're called tabby. They must be. Anyway, those make me feel a bit shuddery, but very soft, I must say, very soft. Obviously, cute chocolate. It's so cute. Can't wait to snack on that. And Nurse Emma was saying that everywhere you go, every hotel you stay at, whatever start of hotel, you get personal hygiene kits. So obviously she's stocked up. But they had skincare sets too. A mini hairbrush that is going straight in my Anya bag. We have some more skincare, and she was saying that when you go shopping, it's a real experience, as in they pride themselves in customer service and making sure you're getting the right items, and they love to give a sample, whether it's high-end or drugstore. Got another body cloth thing, towel. We've got some argan hair oil, exciting. Who doesn't love a bit of hair oiling? What can I say? Abby Young might have influenced me, and my hair is loving it. So these lash curlers are absolutely insane, and it was James Malloy, the incredible makeup artist, that introduced these to me. And my friend was in Japan. I was like, can you pick me up a pair? She was like, of course. So what I love about them as well is that they've got a little travel case for the curling part to sit in, and they come with spare curlers too. When I say curlers, I mean the rubber bits that sit on the curler. These lash curlers are incredible, and I'm excited now because I've got a pair for myself and not one in my kit, and I never mix using my kit and personal makeup bag together ever, so I'm really excited about this. And if you don't know, yes, you should be changing your rubber in your lash curler fairly often. I'd say at least every 6 months to get the benefit of the curl. You'll thank me later. And the brand is Koji. Are you ready for this? This was from the Shiseido boutique, and I really don't think you're ready for this. So I just want to show you the amazing, look at this little illustration. It's just beautiful. It's one of their flagship stores. Oh my gosh. And in here is a little Shiseido roll-up bag. That is cute. Another tote to add to the collection. Should we open it up? So you unpin that, and then I think that will clip on to somewhere else, maybe, to make another handle. Or I don't know. That is so smart and cute. Love the colour as well. Love a bit of red at the moment. And then you're not ready for this. So in the store, you can customise makeup products. And in here, any guesses what it is? There is a lipstick. So Emma did not only choose a colour for me, but she also customised it with my name on it. Literally, the cutest. And isn't that a gorgeous colour? This is the shade 402 Chatbot. Should we try it on? It's so gorgeous. It's a very me colour. I love a peachy nude. That texture, obsessed. Honestly, I know the most awesomely wonderful, talented and kind people in the industry and friends. Thank you. It's even got, listen to that, the magnet. What do you think of the colour? Isn't it perfect for me? Love it. Thank you so much, Emma and Matt, for spoiling me. Love you long time. And I think we all need to be booking a trip to Japan yesterday. Let's go.